Welcome friends. Cardano is available in very low price and is it right time to buy Cardano? That is why I am making this video. In this video I am going to do technical analysis price prediction for Cardano and I will tell you my immediate short term target for the Cardano as well as my long duration and medium duration targets for the Cardano. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel, links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation, and if you are new then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Let's dive into the content. Cardano is currently at $1.53. Price decreased 7.69% in 24 hours. Market cap of Cardano is $49 billion, $49.3 billion, which is very good. Circulating supply of Cardano is 32 billion. Total supply of Cardano is 45 billion and 24-hour trading volume of Cardano is $9.4 billion, which is very, very huge. It is available on Binance Exchange, Coinbase and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy Cardano on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange as well as you can get link of KuCoin and Bybit and Hotbit exchange links. Our links are in this video's comment section and in this video's description. Let's focus to the content. Market rank of the Cardano is 5, and let me please show you technical chart of token metrics of Cardano. On 26 April, there is an indicator bullish appears in this chart, and at that moment price was $1.30, and after that price goes to $2.28, and after that price is down at $1.54. Cardano is in correction mode as well as all crypto market is in correction mode, and I will tell you my exact targets and my exact moves that I am expecting from Cardano, and I think Cardano can hit these targets. I think so. Let me please show you some first of all, price prediction of the Cardano from token metrics. Here you can see 77% accuracy, 77% accuracy, 76% accuracy. This accuracy is on daily basis. Here you can see. This red line is the actual price of Cardano and this blue line is predicted price of Cardano. The blue line indicates that price will be 1.45, 1.46, 1.8, in between 1.44 to $1.50. But I think price can go further high. And let me please show you fundamental score of Cardano. Cardano fundamental score is 72, which is very good. Let me please show you the technology score of Cardano. 89.9%. Very, very 89.9%. Very good. Let me please show you the technical indicators of Cardano. Please friends, like this video, and if you are still watching this video, then please, if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Here you can see awesome oscillator of Cardano chart is bullish, commodity channel CCI neutral, moving average convergence divergence bearish, force index bullish, RSI neutral, stochastic oscillator bearish, WR neutral, rate of change ROC bearish. 3 bearish indicators, 2 bullish indicators and 3 neutral indicators. That means price of the Cardano will go up because there are just 3 bearish indicators and 5 bullish and neutral indicators. Let me please show you the chart of the Cardano. This is the Cardano 4-hour USDT Binance chart, and Cardano is at trying to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $1.55. Once Cardano break this, in that case, there will be this will be our target, $1.90. Cardano is currently at this descending wedge, and these are buying zone for the Cardanos, and these are selling zone for the Cardanos. Once Cardano break this, in that case, Cardano's price can go to. Let me please show you. Once Cardano break this descending wedge, sorry. In that case, if it break from that point, In that case, price will be like this. Let me please show you. $2.21. And if in worst condition, if it break towards downside, if Cardano rejects from that zone because of this horizontal resistance and uptrend line, both are at same point, which is $1.56 to $1.58. If this happens, in that case, maybe price can go down to $0.58. This will be the worst scenario, and this is the most unlikely. I don't think so price can go to this level. I think once Cardano break this, in that case $2.20 is very, very near. Once Cardano break this horizontal resistance $1.58, in that case first immediate short-term target will be like this. This will be the first immediate short-term target, $1.75 or $1.74. Second target will be $1.90 and third target will be this. These are immediate short-term target for the Cardano. If Cardano ADA fails to break this upside trend line and this horizontal resistance, in that case maybe it is ready. It will go down to hit this zone again, which is $1.20 or maybe this $1. All eyes are on this level, $1.58. If Cardano break this and close 4 hourly candle above this line, in that case maybe Cardano price can go to $1.73, maybe $1.87. These are immediate short-term targets, $1.74, $1.90 and $2.21. Let me please show you how much correction Cardano make. Currently Cardano's from all-time high 59% correction, and from all-time high to current running price correction is 35%. And let me please show you how much Cardano gives to its holders in 2021. Let me please arrange this. (13x) 1300% profit Cardano gives to its holder from January to 1st January to till now, till its all-time high, and this is very, very good profit. Let me please show you my target and some levels for the Cardano. According to this, Cardano can go to, this is the February retracement tool, Cardano can go to $7.15. But I think $9 to $10 is my target. Cardano can easily hit $10 in this bull run, and that is my target. If you buy this Cardano from that current running price, in that case it will give you, if it hits $10, in that case, let me please show you. Let me please arrange this chart. In that case, easily it can give you 5x to 550% profit in this bull run. To be very realistic, $9 or $10 is the target of Cardano in this bull run. And if you like this video, then please thumbs up the like button and please join my Telegram channel. Because I post regularly charts and updates on my Telegram channel. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon right now. Thanks for the motivation. Take care.